This video is about perimeter, area, surface area, and volume, what they mean and how to find them. Perimeter is the sum of the length of all the sides of a 2D shape. Area is the 2D measure of the size of a shape. So looking at this triangle below, let's find the perimeter and area. So our perimeter, like we said, is the sum of the length of all the sides. So that'll be 3 inches plus 4 inches plus 5 inches, which when we add that up gives us 12 inches. Now for our area is going to be determined for a triangle by doing 1/2 base times height. And our base in this case is going to be our 4 inches. And our height is 3 inches. So 1/2 times 4 times 3 equals 6 inches squared. Next, we have surface area. And surface area is the amount of area exposed to the surroundings of a 3D object. Volume is the amount of space a 3D object fills. So let's find the volume and surface area of the given rectangular prism. So first, it's surface area. So we have 6 sides, and of those 6 sides, we have 3 different sides. So there are 2 sides that are the same, another 2 sides that are the same, and another 2 sides that are the same. So we have 2 by 4 sides. So when we do our area of a rectangle, we have area is equal to our length times our width. So that's going to equal 2 times 4, which gives us 8 inches squared. But we have to multiply that by 2 because there's 2 of them, so we have 16 inches squared. Next, we can see we have 2 by 3 sides. Those are like the ends of our box. So once again, our area equals our length times our width, which will be 2 times 3 to get our 6 inches squared. Multiply it by 2 for both sides, then we'll have 12 inches squared. Lastly, we have 2 3 by 4 inch sides. In our picture here, that's like the top and bottom of our box. So area is still equal to length times width. So 3 times 4 gives us 12 inches squared. Times 2 gives us 24 inches squared. Now for our surface area, we just need to add up all of these sides. So we do 16 inches squared plus 12 inches squared plus 24 inches squared. Then we'll get 52 inches squared. Lastly, we need to find our volume. So volume of a rectangular prism is just equal to length times width times height. And it's kind of convenient to look at this because it's like length times width is our area of one side, right? Well, the height just tells us the depth, how deep it is. So it's like we take that area and multiply it by how many layers there are. So, in our case, length, you can say is 2 inches times width 3 inches times height or depth of 4 inches to give us a grand total of 24 inches cubed. And that is how you find all of these different properties of shapes.